Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kristen and I love to craft. Today we went to Hobby Lobby and let me show you what all we got. Today was the spring sale and it was 75% off. A lot of it was already picked over, but we did get some good deals. So I picked this up. It was originally $24.99. I got it for 75% off, of course. My plan for this is to maybe paint it white and then add our last name in vinyl to the top. We're going to put like our mail in it. We're going to hang our keys from it. There's just so many ideas that you can do. You can even take this little basket off here and then you can add some vinyl to it. Use it as maybe like Christmas decor. And if you want to be like super extra, you can add some Velcro to the top and you can have like a Christmas bow with some Velcro on the back. That way that you can interchange them. So you could do a summer bow, Christmas, fall, spring, Valentine's Day. If it's like your birthday month and you want to do something like really cool, you can definitely change those out. Just add some Velcro and it's endless possibilities. The next thing that I picked up was this strand of beads. We can always use beads around here. This was originally $4.99. 75% off, of course. I have been seeing several people do reverse canvas projects, and so I picked these up. This is a 4-pack. It was originally $6.49. So I have a couple of ideas for this. Next up, we have this like wooden tray, and if you look at the inside, it has some flowers, just a little bit of decor. So whenever we were in Hobby Lobby, we passed by the Christmas aisle and they had one of these. It was covered with fabric and it had a bow across it. So I was like, oh yeah, we're definitely going to make something out of this sort of like that. You could put a piece of chipboard down in here, add some vinyl to it. It's a cute little piece of wooden decor. Endless possibilities with something just as simple as this. The next thing that I picked up, this was originally $5.49. It has this little rope at the top. It's actually a really big sign. So I'm gonna have to think of what I'm going to add to this. Now that I'm kind of looking at it in the little viewfinder, I'm kind of wondering, maybe I could do like a 25 days till Christmas countdown. Maybe a countdown to Halloween. So many ideas are just flowing. I don't know why, but lately my brain has been like crafting. I wouldn't say like crafting overload, but my brainstorming has been at like an all-time high. And so I've been like jotting down things. So we have a lot of things coming up for the channel. I'm so excited. All right, I also got this one. It was originally $13.99. It's just like a little wooden tray and it has that little lip on it. It's kind of hard to tell on camera, but it definitely has that little, I would say about like a 1-inch little lip in there. You could definitely put some vinyl on here. I have done that in the past. Staple your jute rope to the back. You could hang it up on your wall, or you could put it on your table for Thanksgiving. Make a little charcuterie board. Definitely add some parchment paper to the bottom if you're going to do that though. So that's all that we got for the spring haul. Now let's take a look at what I got in the Christmas section. I love ribbon. I think I've showed you guys the many ways that I have stored my ribbon over the years. And so I picked up one more thing of ribbon, but this time I actually needed it. I have been doing a lot of needlepoint lately and I like to self-finish my needlepoint projects. So I got this and let's get a close-up view. So there it is up close. It's like a gold kind of twisted ribbon. I wouldn't necessarily call it a ribbon though. Let's see if they name it on here. It just says Tray 109. So I think it's more like a rope, I would say. I also got one of these and I'm definitely going to be repurposing it. I love the look of the cherries on it, but I think I could definitely change it up a little bit. This was originally $9.99 and I think I'm going to turn it into a little jewelry box. Next up, I got 3 sticker packs. So I'm going to hold it at kind of an angle that way that the glare is not on there. But these are 3D stickers. Super cute. We got these as well. And these are also 3D. So all 3 packs that I got today were the 3D stickers. I really like that one. That's so cute. I also got this ornament that I plan on Mod Podging with some Christmas napkins. It's going to be super cute. I also got another paper pad and this is what it looks like. I'm also going to hold it at an angle that way that the glare is not really on there. But yeah, I thought that that one was super cute as well. So I've been keeping a little bit of a secret from you guys. I have been designing my own card kits for people who are just starting out with card making. And so today I bought this little stamp. It is a Santa Claus, and I plan on making a seasonal card kit for Christmas. And I want to be able to stamp the tissue paper with the Santa Claus, and I think it's going to be like super cute. Along with stamps, I finally bought some stamp cleaner, so I'm not going to be using baby wipes anymore. As far as fall goes, I did get only 2 things, which I'm super proud of. Usually I go crazy for like fall and Christmas, but I got some ribbon, and here it is up close. It's just like a mix or a bundle of ribbons. I'm going to make a bunch of tassels with these, and I finally found some napkins that way that we could Mod Podge the pumpkin. And here are those napkins. I did get my boys some candy, so they got little Pez pins. And that's all. Thank you all so much for tuning into today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!